Today, because my older brother told me that I should post a video of this on YouTube, I'm posting a video of my new and well, I haven't even showed you guys my older plane, but it's not as good as my newer plane. As you can see, just a silly little rinky-dink plane, but my new one is better. It's bigger and better. Nothing too much though. So I got inspired by Jessetc. I'm gonna probably link him down in the comments. I got inspiration from his video of him making a plane while on a plane. So you got an interior, no bathroom though, so you just gotta hold it in until you're landed. Pretty spacious, and a little cockpit. And for those of you that are like, does it work? Does it work? Does it work? Yes, it does. Whee! But you know, nothing too much. Ah. And tutorial will be soon. Tutorial soon. It took me over an hour though. I was pretty much just watching FNAF Lore the whole time though. And it did get me all the way to the end. Yes, it did. Got me all the way to the end. Well, we're kind of sort of flipping. Uh-oh. Not good, not good, not good. And as you can see, pretty good for getting all the way to the end if you want to. And then and just crumbled. But yeah, no, pretty good plane overall. And if you want to, then just rate it down below in the comments. And like and subscribe if you want to. But you're not forced to. And that's where I'm gonna end the video now.